I get a picture with her?
Oh, hey, take a picture. Get him a picture here. I want to get him with you.
That's not. That's Solomon. That's Solomon. I think we're pretty fan like that. Yeah, dude, that's Coach Chad. Yeah, because his hair. Yeah. He don't have no hair.
Oh, God.
My God. Stop, man. I'm trying to take it.
Are you okay? Chip it on me.
Oh, wow. That was a nice quality.
Yeah, y'all better watch out, man.
Can I get a picture with him?
Hey, look.
Can't get a picture.
Okay, me. Oh my God! You're on the side of the knife.
Carrie has to do her hip.
I'll see you a
That's
video.
really bright.
I know.
I want one.
Are you taking the picture?
No, I'm not taking a picture. I can't. Hold up a second.
Oh.
Hold up.
Oh my God.
I'll get back in there. He won't cut you too bad.
No.
That was awesome.
As far as you know.
Knife